My name is Bojan Grčar. I'm from University of Maribor, Faculty of Electrical Engineering and Computer Science. So we are very glad to be in this event, EBBS Sofia Workshop. We met very few good universities. We met new colleagues from agencies, and we hope that we will be successful in our tendency to promote our study programs and to be in this academic worldwide market. So we looking forward to next such event, and we would be very happy if this event, this workshop, would be productive. I would like to stress the very nice organizing committee. I would like to thank them for their effort, for their work. They provided a beautiful surrounding for this event. The people were very kind, very helpful, and because of them, this event was also successful. Because of our new friends here that we met, it's very likely that we will come again in the future time to this beautiful city.